Alright, welcome to the next lesson. So in this lesson, we're going to be looking at the node tool, and if you click and hold, you see the point transform tool. So those are the two we're going to look at in this video. Alright, so let's get started with the node tool. So the node tool, right, is used to manipulate shapes, right? You can manipulate these points, you can bend it to how you please, right? It's simply to manipulate shapes in the best way you think it will work for your design. So if you look at, okay, you can see manipulating the shape. You can see this symbol here, right? You can see that symbol that is like a curved stroke, and you can manipulate the shape to whatever way you want it to be. So let's go back, Ctrl Z. Yeah, let's give this a color. Select the move tool. Let's give this a color. You can either double click here, right, and move your color picker, or use this color wheel, right? Use color wheel, then choose the gradient, the shade you want your shape to be. I think I like this. Then click the other one. Let's give it green, like a mixture of this. Okay. Now I've added colors. You can see your previously saved colors here. I've used colors here, right? I should use colors here. Then, yeah. So let's go back to the node tool, right? Click on it, and it can manipulate shapes, manipulate points, adjust it how you want it to be, right? Same with this other shape also. Just undo this. So if you click on the node tool, right, for this type of shape you can manipulate it like this. You see this red line across and this red dot, right? Into how you want it to be. You can increase, see, to several things. So depending on what you want to do, right? Now let's undo this also. Now let's use this tool. Let's zoom in. It's not working in this case, so you can convert to curves, right? When you convert to curves, that shape, you can now click on the node tool again and begin to manipulate it. You deem fits. How you deem fits like this, and this, like this. And then your project. Now you want everything to be. So this is also really good for creatives. If you have a very creative mind, and you can explore different things, you can test, move around, and explore several things. Let's look at the next tool, that is the point transform tool. So if you click on this rectangle, right, you can see this anchor here. You move it to the bottom left here. You can, once you resize, it moves along this path, right? So along this path, if you move it here, moves like this, acts as the anchor towards that place. Doesn't leave that point, and extends the box from that point. Move it to the left here. The same thing will be done. You see, acts as the anchor that moves from there. From this end to this other end. It doesn't. It's where the whole shape anchors on as you move it around, right? That's the whole point of this tool, called the point transform tool. So in the next video, we're going to look at the corner tool and the contour tool.